Picture this. You're 65 years old, sitting in your living room. Sunlight is streaming through the window. You open your retirement account, and instead of fear, stress, or disappointment, you see a number that brings a smile to your face. A number so big, so comforting that for the first time, you feel truly free. Now imagine all of this came from a simple habit. Just $300 per month, invested consistently in gold. No complicated charts, no risky trading, no sleepless nights. Just a simple monthly investment that quietly built your future. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how this works. We'll look at the last 30 years of gold history, we'll calculate what your future could look like, and we'll see why a small monthly gold plan can become a massive retirement fund. Let's begin. For decades, Americans have struggled with retirement planning. Even people who earn well often fail to save consistently. Some invest in stocks, some in crypto, some in real estate. But very few people think of gold as a monthly investing strategy. Most people believe gold is only for a crisis or only for emergencies. But that's not true. Gold is not just a safety asset. Gold is a growth asset, a wealth protector, and one of the most reliable long-term investments in history. And here is the interesting part. If someone had invested just $300 per month in gold for the last 30 years, their life at retirement today would look completely different. Let's go back to the year 1995. Gold was around $380 per ounce. At that time, most people ignored it. People said, gold is boring, slow, old-fashioned. But imagine that in 1995, you made a decision, a simple decision. You said, I will invest $300 into gold every month, no matter what. You didn't try to time the market. You didn't wait for dips. You didn't worry about the news. You simply bought a little gold every single month. Year after year, you kept investing. Some years, the price went up. Some years it went down. But you kept going. Fast forward 30 years, you have invested a total of $108,000. But the value of your gold, with today's price around $2,500 per ounce, would be well over $300,000. That is almost 3 times your money. You didn't gamble. You didn't take extreme risks. You just stayed consistent. And while you were investing, gold protected you through every crisis. The dot-com crash, the 2008 financial crisis, the pandemic, inflation spikes, interest rate hikes, stock market crashes, and multiple economic downturns. When everything else failed, gold held steady. When currencies weakened, gold became stronger, and your monthly savings quietly transformed into a powerful retirement shield. This is the secret most people never understand. You don't need to be rich to retire rich. You just need consistency. And $300 per month is not a big number. It's less than your weekend shopping, less than your entertainment bill, less than what many people spend on coffee every month. But when this small number is multiplied by time, something magical happens. Gold slowly builds your wealth, protecting it year after year, until one day, you wake up and realize you have created a fortune without even noticing. Now, let's talk about your future. Let's imagine you start this plan next month. What can $300 per month in gold become over time? Let's calculate. Gold has grown historically at around 7% per year over the last 30 years. So, let's use that same growth rate. Here's what happens. In 10 years, your $300 per month becomes around $52,000. In 20 years, it becomes $150,000 to $170,000. In 30 years, it grows to $350,000 to $400,000. Gold is special because it protects your money from things that destroy savings. Inflation, political uncertainty, currency crashes, market volatility, economic instability, and rising living costs. When you save in cash, the value goes down. When you save in banks, interest rates can't keep up. But when you save in gold, the value goes up. Gold doesn't depend on governments. Gold doesn't depend on banks. Gold doesn't depend on stock markets. Gold is universal. Every country, every economy, every generation trusts gold. That's why it becomes more valuable with time. And that's why it makes a perfect retirement asset for ordinary Americans who want long-term security. Now let's look ahead. If the last 30 years was strong for gold, the next 30 years may be even stronger. Here's why. Global population is rising. Gold supply is shrinking. Mining is becoming expensive. Currencies are losing power. Governments are printing more money. and global instability is increasing. In such a world, gold becomes even more valuable. Many experts expect gold to reach $3,500, $4,000, even $5,000 per ounce in coming decades. If that happens, your $300 monthly plan could easily cross $1 million before retirement. This is not magic. This is mathematics. This is consistency. This is the power of long-term investing. Now imagine yourself again, at age 65. Opening your retirement account and seeing not a small number, not an average number, but a powerful number. Enough for a comfortable life, enough for security, enough for peace. All from one simple habit, $300 per month. That's it. You don't need to become a financial expert. You don't need to take big risks. You just need to start and stay consistent. Wealth is not built by luck. It is built by discipline. The best time to start was 30 years ago. The second best time is today. Your future self is waiting. Start building your golden retirement, one month at a time. Thanks for watching.